It's Groundhog Day. Do you find yourself typing the same thing over and over and over again? Well, if you use a text expander such as Text Blaze, you can make Groundhog Day a friend. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. When this video publishes, we'll be just a couple of days shy of Groundhog Day, and you've seen the movie by the same name, right? In that 1993 classic, Bill Murray portrays a weatherman assigned to cover the groundhog's emergence from his hole. In a weird twist of events, the character finds himself living the same day over and over and over again. At first, having the same repetition drives our hero crazy. But later in the movie, he uses the same situation to his advantage. He knows what sorts of things repeat day after day, and therefore he's able to build systems that handle them. How often do you feel just like that leading character in the movie? You receive emails asking the same questions. You find yourself keying in the same responses over and over and over again. Perhaps you find yourself searching for some other email where some other person has asked the same question. And after your search reveals it, you copy and paste the response. Well, there's got to be a better way. There is. It's called a text expander. I want to direct you to an article that I just wrote for middleweb.com. Middleweb is dedicated to middle level educators, but this particular article applies to us all. The article talks about Text Blaze, my text expander of choice. You'll see examples there of how I use it. Now, I'm going to refer you to that article for two additional reasons. First of all, I've written quite a few articles for Middleweb over the years. So while you're reading about Text Blaze and how to use it, I hope you'll enjoy some of the other articles that you find there. You can just search for my name in the search window at the top of the screen, and it'll bring up those other articles. And secondly, if you have friends who are in middle level education, I hope that you'll share the site, and in particular, share the articles that I've written for it. You're going to see a button if you're in the blog post. You'll see a button in the body of the blog post that's going to take you there. If you're seeing this in YouTube, you're going to see some things in the show notes. So please share those with other people. And most importantly, if you want to give Text Blaze a try, I am an affiliate. So you're going to see a button in the body of the blog post, or you're going to see links in the show notes that are going to allow you to use that special link and get a month of Text Blaze Pro absolutely free. At the end of the month, you can give a credit card and begin to pay for that, or you can revert to a free account. And trust me, the free account is plenty powerful as well. Text Blaze is something that I use daily. The repetition you saw in Groundhog Day, is it monotony? Or is it a chance to put some things on autopilot and spend time on what you want to make time for? Thanks for stopping by today. And if you enjoyed this video, how about subscribing to the channel, like the video, and I've got two more videos I think you'll like right over here. Take a look at those. This has been Frank Buck helping you get organized and make it look easy.